Hello ladybugs, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start a new journal, little one. I'm into little ones these days, and this is going to be eventually part of the cover. Okay, it's just cardstock that's been embossed. Now I just want to add a little bit of color to my cardstock, so let's just do this. You won't see a lot of the cardstock, but that's okay. I don't even think you'll see that side. And that's fine. Quick and easy to do. Where's my yellow? I love yellow. Bit of yellow. Oh, okay, that was a bit bright. Wasn't supposed to be that bright, but it's okay. That'll do fine. I'm going to put a little bit more pink on that yellow. So, okay, now it just looks vintage, which is great, because this is going to have coffee dyed paper inside, and a mixture of paper. Oh, excuse my frog in my throat. I hope you're all good. It's a lovely Saturday morning, even though it's winter here. I have cut various pieces of fabric. Let's do this. And to wow, this is what I'm looking for. Just stick it down, because I am going to sew it. Sewing is just so pretty. So let's just put a little bit of tape to hold it while I sew it, because I can't exactly pin it now, can I? Yum. I'm just okay. Where's my? Let's just press it down so the tape sticks. Yes. No. Yes. There we go. Okay, I think the frog might have gone by now. Let's just put just 2 pieces. I think will be fine for this one. Why aren't you very sticky? Let's do this, shall we? So we're just prepping for the cover, and it's not going to be much bigger. It'll be slightly bigger, a bit of a layered journal. I do love my layer. I love all journals. That's me. Except the 2 industrial ones, if you know what I mean. I like a bit of color in my journals. So if we can make it stick, it just makes it easier to sew. Oh gosh, it's not sticking because of the... Come on, I only need a spot, otherwise I will have to add some hot glue. Just a dot will be enough, but it's going to be very, as usual, pretty journal. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is not working. I don't know why. So let's just put, there goes my plugs. I need to fix them. Oh gosh, on my machine. Yeah, I think that's nice. And yeah, I want this little piece just here. Again, let me just put a drop. And then I was going to put this guy here. So pretty, this lace. But let's pick up some of that sunshine, shall we? I think you will be, is that the right way? Yep. That is that'll be fine. And now I'm either going to put that, which is also so pretty. Let me just cut this down a little bit. So I'm going to try and be more active on YouTube. I know I've been posting a lot of shorts, which are great, you know. It takes 5 minutes to watch. We're all such busy ladybugs. You see, I'm debating between that and these little, maybe I'll just put those in the actual journal. How about that? Yeah, I think that looks nice. I could put 2 layers. I'm just going to take it to my machine, if I can get it to work, because these plugs of mine, come on. I've made a big wedge. Because, you know, it just doesn't go in nicely. This is really annoying, guys. There we go. There we go. It's on. Let me quickly stitch this. I'll do that piece last. Uh-oh. Nearly lost it to the floor. Oh my goodness. It's a... So I'm just cutting the threads. I don't think I want them hanging. And then the next video I will be making the cover itself. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. But it's looking rather nice, if I say so. I have a nice, there it is. And then, because we need to finish this off beautifully, and I think now this I am going to glue on. So let's just glue this on. I'll put down as much as possible. So pretty. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then let's have a look, guys. What do I have here? I need a bauble. Bauble. No, not the dog. We have a dog in South Africa called a bauble. And he's just an amazing big dog that kills lions. I kid you not. Oh, how about... These are very cute, these ones I've got here. Oh, that's just perfect. It just lifts the whole thing. I'm going to bring my camera in a little bit. Yeah, just so you can get a better gander at it. And then, you know what I do want? Yeah, I've got buttons in here. Yeah, this is fine. So let's just put that there. Oh, lovely. Oh, 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 sticking to my mat. Look at that. Can you see the little... And then let's just put a few buttons, I think. Look at this pretty button there. This one will be perfect there. Don't you just love these? Look at this. Just waiting for the camera to sort itself. Focus there. Might add this as a side doofy. Oh, look at this pretty button. Yeah, I'm going to add these. Yes. I wonder, I don't have yellow buttons. No. But that'll just be fine. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So that is the start of another shabby chic, whatchamacallit. I'm just gonna, I want this down. I just think it looks better. I could stitch it, but with the buttons now in place, forget it. Forget. Yeah. You know, I don't want this getting tatty after a while. There we go. So that, you can also, by the way, you know, make even a smaller one and use this as a journal card. It is just too pretty for words. And I think I might, hang on, I want a little bit more pink on the cover. Let's do this. Yeah, it just kind of finishes it off. And down here. I want it dark. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Pimps it up. Let's pimp it up. Oh yeah, that makes such a difference. A bit more pink there. Oh yeah. See? Yes, I think that looks great. And let's put a little bit more pink. No, I like it. I like it. I like it. Just as it is. Okay, guys. Give me a like. Do subscribe. Help me grow my channel. And I will see you again for the continuation of this journal. Ciao now. Bye-bye.